Hello students, welcome to new video of class 10th mathematics chapter circle part 7. Question. In the previous video I am explaining all the topics and some video explaining the problems, but some more problems standing from your side. So today's video is especially a problem videos for you. So let's see the questions. Read the first question. The first question is question number 13. PQ is a chord of length 4.8 cm of a circle of radius 3 cm. A tangent at P and Q intersect at T as shown in figure. Find the length of TP. PQ is the chord and the tangent at the end point of P and Q. O is the center, intersect at R. PO is 3 cm, radius 3 cm, common chord PQ 4.8 cm. So you can say PR is equal to 2.4 cm, half of PQ. Means this is 2.4. You can find RO in triangle POR using Pythagoras theorem. PO square is equal to PR square plus RO square. That is 3 square, 2.4 square plus RO square. So we get the value of RO. This 90. This is also 90. Got right triangle. 9 minus 2.4 square is 5.96. Sorry. So RO is equal to square root of 9.00 minus 5.76. So what you get? 4, 2, 3. 3.24. So 324 you can find the square prime factor. 2 1 2, 2 0 12, 2 0 4, 2 16, 2 1 2 means 1.8 centimeter is the value of RO. This is 1.8. Then let's see. It's a good question. We want PT. Here you have two choices. You can find the PT by using Pythagoras theorem, but we can find this by similarity, because in similarity is very easy. We can take the two triangle POT and this PRO. 3, 2.4, 1.8, 3 and X. So firstly we take the both triangle for similar, triangle POT and triangle POR. Angle O is common angle. You can see angle O is common angle between the both triangles, small and big, and one angle 90. Angle TPO is equal to angle PRO, each 90. So triangle POT similar triangle POR by angle similarity. When triangle similar, so all corresponding side ratio equal by CPST. if we take here PT, because we want PT, so for first triangle, common angle opposite PT, common angle opposite PR. Here we known PO, that is the unknown angle, is equal to this unknown angle opposite RO. Put all the values. X 2.4, PO 3, RO 1.8. So X is equal to 3 upon 1.8 into 2.4, 0, 0. 10, 10 cancel, 6, 3, 18, 6, 4, 24, 3, 3 cancel. So X is equal to 4 centimeter is the length of PT. Tangent's length is 4 centimeter. We have to turn this question by similarity. By similarity method we can turn this question. Pause, we note down. Last question, question 15. The question is, if the angle between two tangents drawn from an external point P to a circle of radius A and the center O is 60 degree, find the length of OP. Very simple question. I am not understanding why you are sending this. P 60 degree angle. I think in previous video we explained this question, but the radius is A. You can join here. This is 90. We want this. Find the length of OP. Sorry. We can find OP. Firstly, angle APO is equal to 30 degree, because this angle is equal to this angle. So this 30. So in triangle AOP, for this angle, this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. Perpendicular and hypotenuse in sine 30, perpendicular upon hypotenuse 1/2 is equal to AO by OP. So cross multiply, 1/2. So OP is equal to 2A. Is the twice of radius. Okay. So pause, we note down. Let's see this question. Good question. The questions are from R.S. Agarwal book. The question is, in the given figure, so firstly we draw the figure. Tangent at P from the external point T and this T point join with the center O and increase them. It's a straight line. That is B, A, T, join PB. This angle is 30 degree. You know, this is not 90. When you join this, so this is 90. Okay? Means angle OPT 90, not BPT 90. So, O center is tangent, external point T, angle BPT, angle T, PBT 30 degree. Prove that BA is to AT is equal to 2:1. Very good. Let's see how we solve it. BA is this and this is AT. This is R, this is R. Suppose that X. So X is equal to 30 degree because OB is equal to OP. radius equal, so the angle opposite of this side also equal, is 30 degree. Okay, then what's the value of this angle? If you see, suppose that this is y, this is z. So y is equal to 30 plus 30 exterior angle of triangle POB. So y is equal to 60 degree. This is 60 degree. What's the value of z? Z is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 60 sum of interior angle of triangle. In this triangle POT, all three angles same 180 degree. So two angle is given 90, 60. So Z equal to 30 degree. This is 30. So if I say we join this, this also radius, if this side equal, the angle opposite of this A, angle opposite of this A are also equal, means A plus 60 is equal to 180 degree in triangle POA. 60 A. So A is equal to 60 degree. Means this is an equilateral triangle. So what is the value of this PA? This PA is also R. And the remaining angle this is also 30. Means you can say suppose that is B. B is called 30, 90 minus 60. So PA is equal to 80, opposite side of equal angle, 30 side equal, and PA is equal to 80 is equal to R. Means this R, and this R. We want the ratio of BA upon 80. BA is 2R and 80 is R. Cancel. BA is 2. 80 is equal to 2:1. I know you are thinking, sir, why you find the angles? We want the ratio between the sides. Because here only angle is given. So we have to create the relationship between angle and side by the probability of isosceles triangle and the equilateral triangle. Because two angle equal, two side equal. Three angle equal, three sides equal. So by this probability we take R and prove them this is also R. So we can get BA and AT both in terms of R. So we can put here 2R upon R. So we get 2:1. Okay? Also we note down. This question you have to giving in your test. homework also. The common tangent AB and CD of two circles with center O dash intersect at E between their centers means if the tangent intersect, that means tangent just like this. AB and CD intersect at E, center O and O dash. So prove that O, E, O dash are collinear. Means straight line. Let's see. We join this, this, this and this. We only explaining this question. This 90, this 90. OE common, this radius. So this triangle is congruent to this. Means in triangle AOE and triangle COE by RHS congruency. Angle A is equal to angle C, 90, OE equal to OE common, AO is equal to OC radius. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 4 in these two triangles. And you know that AB and CD is a straight line. Straight line. So angle AEC is equal to angle BED. This is twice of angle 1, twice of angle 3, or you can say twice of angle 4. Why we take 1 or 4? Or we get in diagonally. 1, 4 equal. This is vertically opposite angle of AB and OO dash. So OE O dash is a straight line, that means collinear. Because vertically opposite angles are equal, that means the straight line. Okay, so pause video, note down. Let's see this question. If in figure this BCD tangent at C and BP the diameter extended, these are joined. So prove that angle BAC plus angle ACD is equal to 90 degree. BAC this angle and ACD this angle make right angle. Very easy, you know. YZX in triangle AOC x is equal to z, y AO is equal to OC radius. Two sides equal, two angle equal. Angle OCD is equal to 90, y BCD is a tangent. This is a radius, so this make right angle. And OCD, that means z plus y is equal to 90. Z is equal to x, x plus y 90. What is x? That is BAC. What is y? That is angle ACD. Hence proof. Okay, pause and note down. See this question 19. I explained the previous video on the numerical terms. This is the in terms of variables. ABC is the right triangle sides. C is the hypotenuse. So that is A, this is B. Prove that at a radius R of circle which touches the sides of triangle, means a circle just like this, radius R. This is radius, this is also radius, 90, 90. Let's see. Suppose that P and Q. Angle P 90, angle B 90, angle Q 90. So POQB is a rectangle. Also OP is equal to OQ, radius. So POQB is a square. Or directly you can say this is R, this is R. Means BQ is equal to BP is equal to R. Here you can say CQ is equal to C, R is equal to B minus R, because this part is B minus R, this part is B minus R. Tangent from C, tangent from A, same logic. AP is equal to R is equal to A minus R. This is A minus R, A minus R. Same logic. So AC is equal to AR plus RC. AC is equal to C. AR A minus R. RC B minus R. You want R. So R sent to here. A plus B minus C. R is equal to A plus B minus C upon 2. Also, this is the proving part. Yes, A plus B minus C upon 2. So this logic is explained in many times. That's a very good logic for solving all types of questions, tangents for triangles as well as quadrilateral. Pause, note down. Question 20. If PA and PB are the two tangents of the circle, so prove that OP is the right bisector of AB. Suppose that M means you want to prove that OP perpendicular on AB and AM is equal to MB. So very easy. X or Y. In triangle AMP and triangle BMP, we take these two triangles and want to congruent. AP is equal to BP, tangent from P equal. This angle also equal by theorem. APO is equal to angle BPO, or you can say APM is equal to BPM by theorem, and MP is equal to MP, common side, means side angle side. Triangle AMP congruent triangle BMP by SAS congruency. When triangle congruent, so by CPCT, AM is equal to MB. This part is clear. X is equal to Y, CPCT, and X plus Y is equal to 180, straight line. So X plus X is equal to 180, X is equal to 90. So OP perpendicular on AB. Okay. So pause window down. I hope you understand. Many students send this question and say, sir, how we solve it. So let's see, we are explaining very easy method, only a concept using class 9th. If a circle tangent from external point, what's external point? OP. This is Q A B. This is given that OP is equal to 2R. Means this R and this R. This is also R, 90. So prove that triangle APB is an equilateral triangle. Let's see. Very good concept we have to use here. If I say, let's see, triangle AOP is a right triangle at A. So circle is passing through AOP with OP as a diameter. Reason because angle OAP is 90. You know, angle on semicircle is always right angle. Means if a circle is passing from here, so this is 90, so this is the diameter. If OP is equal to 2R, OQ is equal to PQ is equal to R, first thing, and QA is equal to also R, because this is the radius of this circle, which is also R. So you can say triangle AOQ. AO is equal to OQ is equal to AQ is equal to R. That means angle AOQ is equal to 60 degree equilateral triangle. I hope so you understand this concept. Because circle is passing from any 3 points, they are proved in class 9th. Any non-collinear points, always one circle is passing through. And this make right angle, so OP is the diameter. And OP diameter, so Q is the midpoint. Because it's given that this is R, so Q is the midpoint. So from Q, anywhere you can join QA, QP, QA, QB, they all are the radius. So AOQ, all sides equal 60, 60. So what's the value of angle AOB? Angle AOB is called twice of 60, that means 120 degree, because OP bisect. ये bisect होता है, this is equal. So angle APB is equal to 180 minus 120 supplementary angle. This whole and this sum is 180 degree. So angle APB is equal to 60. You can see this figure here. APB. These two equal. This is 60. So this, suppose x, this is also x. X plus 60 is equal to 180 in triangle ABP. So value of x, that is 60. You can solve. 2x is equal to 180 minus 60. In triangle APB, all angle equal to 60 degree. So triangle APB is an equilateral triangle. See very carefully, very good question, and only one concept used here. If you understand this concept, so in very simpler way, we say these three equal, this is 60, this 60, whole 120, this and this supplementary, this is 60, this 60. So in this triangle, this and this are equal. So this 3 sum 180, 60, 60, 60. So it is an equilateral triangle. Pause, we note down.